back to my channel, and this is going to be an Aritzia unboxing. Oh, I love their bags. So cool. All right, I got a pair of wide leg tweed pants. They're so cute. It's a gray and white tweed. And the other item I got is a simple hooded sweatshirt. It has cute red and navy and white stripes on the shoulders down to the arms, and it's by T&A. Here's their little logo. So simple basics, but perfect for the upcoming winter. So this is how they look on. I don't plan on wearing them together, but this is just how they look. And it fits great. This is an extra small. This is a size 0. This is kind of snug. I might exchange it for a size 2. But otherwise, I like it.